This week, the week of December 5th through 11th, you will be working on Project 3, which is the last thing you need to do before the final exam next week. So in Project 3, you'd click on the side under Unit 3 and then Project 3. So you're going to go to the following website to create this project and get information from that website. You will decide what is important on the website for you to include in here. You're creating a 2-page newsletter. There's plenty of information on the website to use. So here are your instructions to include. You want to be sure to have a 2-page newsletter that has a masthead and a nameplate, which you've learned how to do in this course. At least 2 images inserted from the website. So you want to save those, and then you'll insert them on the 2-page spread, wherever you want to insert them. Use your space effectively from the information on the website. So you may want to go back and you may want to use a template, and you can do that, or you can go back and use an example from any of the ones that you had in this course. Be sure you number the pages. You use appropriate colors, again, from your examples where you've learned to use different themes. You want to be sure that you use that. Headlines and text are appropriate font types and sizes. Nothing should be less than a size 11. So usually that's going to be read, the actual articles are a size 11 or 12, and then your headlines are a size 14 or maybe even 16 in newsletter cases. Depends on if you're trying to get a lot of attention with your title. Don't go too high and don't go too low. The only time you'd use something less than 11 in a font size is if it's a footnote. Use appropriate, or at least one pullout is used. You learned how to do those, so be sure you use at least one of those, and demonstrate as much as you can of what you've learned in creating two-page newsletters, and then save the project and upload it to this Dropbox. Then next week will be your final exam, which will just be a 2-hour exam, and it's mostly essay questions and on what you've learned in the class. End of this video.